Hello everyone! If you're looking for a great outdoor hiking military watch that looks great anywhere, these watches are a great choice. These are the best outdoor hiking military watches available on the market today. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. Suunto 9 BARO Watch. This durable, multi-sport GPS watch is designed for athletes who demand the best. Featuring over 80 sports modes, a barometer for accurate altitude info, and wrist heart rate monitor. Built to last, made for training, racing, and extreme adventures, this GPS watch delivers up to 120 hours of continuous exercise tracking. Water-resistant to 100 meters. Great for running, hiking, cycling, and more. Get connected. Connect your favorite sports apps and services from the Suunto app to get more from your watch. Number 4. Casio PRW 2500T. Tough solar power, multi-band atomic timekeeping, 200-meter water-resistant, duplex LC display, digital compass, altimeter, altimeter memory, barometer, thermometer, full auto EL backlight with afterglow, 5 independent daily alarms, hourly time signal, world time, 1/100th second stopwatch, solar rechargeable battery, item shape, round, dial window material type, mineral, display type, digital. Number 3. Suunto Traverse Alpha Watch. Features a rugged, knurled stainless steel bezel, durable water-repellent nylon strap, and a premium scratch-resistant sapphire crystal glass. Suunto's automatic shot detection technology keeps track of when and where you shoot, mapping the GPS coordinates of your location for later viewing. GPS tracks your path, helping you find your way back using the automatic breadcrumb trail, compatible with Suunto Move's Count app. Number 2. Suunto Ambit 3. Altitude and weather information with full navigation in a robust casting. Includes built-in altimeter, barometer, compass, and GPS with 100-meter water resistance. One of the most competitive battery hours in the market. 200 hours with 1-minute accuracy. Case material, polyamide. Connect Ambit 3 Peak to your smartphone for syncing your activities, customizing on the go, and seeing calls and notifications on the watch. Number 1. Victorinox INOX Titanium. Rubber strap. A smooth rubber strap wraps your wrist in soft comfort for a perfect fit day or night. Etched lines in the band give a chain link appearance, making this watch suitable for work, the weekend, and a night out. This Swiss-made watch is made to withstand 130 extreme endurance homologation tests. Case is crafted from high-grade hypoallergenic stainless steel. Analog quartz movement. Special features: date, hour, minute, second. Movement: Swiss quartz. Water-resistant depth: 660 feet.